Here's a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. Turn the ordinary of the everyday into an adventure every day with a versatile and fun Tiguan. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports crash test results for the Tiguan have been excellent, and Volkswagen continues to offer a few more safety features than you'd typically expect to see in a small crossover. Enjoy every drive in a Volkswagen. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.